Zero Shift Transmission Technology. UK-based Zero Shift Limited has developed a new transmission technology that results in completely instantaneous change in gear ratio with no interruption of torque to the driving wheels. In theory, the zero shift principle is simple. The new gear is engaged while the previous gear is still driving, eliminating the break-in torque experienced in conventional manual and automated manual transmissions during the gear shift. As the new gear takes up the drive, the previous gear is automatically disengaged. Zero Shift achieves this using HBM's MGC Plus data logger and Catman software. The technology claims to outperform all other transmission technologies in terms of fuel economy and performance. It results in fuel economy of at least 2% compared to a manual transmission and 1% when compared to a planetary automatic transmission with an equivalent number of ratios. CO2 emissions are also reduced similarly. Due to zero torque interruption, performance is improved, which would allow downsizing of engine and thus a further potential to reduce CO2. Zero Shift is also claimed to be cheaper to produce than a DCT, dual clutch transmission, or an equivalent automatic transmission with epicyclic gears. Further, this gear shift mechanism may be built into an existing manual gearbox. The biggest advantage is the safety that results due to seamless gear shifting. Any interruption of engine torque to the wheels introduces a loss of control, which may be potentially unsafe in certain circumstances. For instance, torque interruptions at intersections, roundabouts and on highway ramps can cause accidents as the driver may require acceleration and find none. Even during emergency braking, engine braking is expected but is not available due to interruptions in gear shift. Zero Shift is also lightweight and compact, thus requiring lesser space, thereby resulting in the available vacant space in the frontal crumple zone, leading to increased safety.